Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video we are going to show you how you may engrave and do photo engraving on black PLA plastics. So this is a PLA plastic that we print out on our 3D printer. It's very thin, probably like a few layers only. And you can actually make very beautiful photo engravings. So this is American Hollywood actor. And by the way, if you know his name, write his name under this video in your comments. And also you can do such things also with our laser. So the thing is that it vaporizes and makes PLA plastics white. So you see different parameters, we have different speed and laser power. Okay, as you know, we always make live videos, and let's start photo engraving. So yeah, it's really fast, and parameters we are using, let me check. Speed is 1700 millimeters per second, so it's 1700 millimeters per second, and 70% power. We use our 4-watt DPSS laser module installed on a DIY galvo frame. So probably you know this guy. And yeah, keep in mind that the image should be inversed once you upload it in EZCAD software. Yeah, and we do second repeat, so to increase contrast. And yeah, that looks pretty good. Now, honestly, I was also surprised that you can do photo engraving on PLA plastics. Yeah, we were working on something else. We were actually working on engraving inside of acrylic. We're still working on that, and hopefully in a few days we will make a video showing how you can engrave inside of fully transparent acrylic, and I'm sure you will be impressed. And yeah, I don't know, maybe we need to make another one. Yeah, let's do another repeat. So we do like 3 repeats, and I think that'll be enough. We'll have enough contrast and brightness of the image. So, and yeah, meanwhile, let me remind you our website, endurancelasers.com. We made a lot of interesting updates. We actually followed by Google Analytics suggestions, so we made it lighter, we improved fonts, so we made our website much faster and more user-friendly. And our online store, Endurance-Lasers, where you can find our 4 and 10 watt DPSS laser models and our galvo frame and just entire unit ready to go. Yeah, and yeah, I think we can do the last one. And yes, if you have any questions, you can always email me, gf@endurancerobots.com, and my phone is +7 916 225 I'm also available on our website. We have live chat. Yeah, sometimes people don't believe me that I'm answering on our site, but I really do. I enjoy talking to my customers and helping people with solving different problems. So yeah, and as you can see, it's quite quite good. I'm really impressed with the results. And so yeah, let me show you. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Zoom in. A really good quality. And just put it black PLA plastics under it. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe on our channel and have a great and wonderful experience with Endurance Lasers. Bye bye.